The first and most common pattern for why an E at the end of a word is silent is called sneaky E. Some people call it magic E or silent E, but this is the story of sneaky E. Sneaky E is a brand new student into a classroom full of vowels, and he keeps forgetting their name. So he leans over and taps them on their shoulder and silently says, or in other words, he's saying, "What's your name? What's your name?" And that vowel ends up yelling out, "You, I, E, O, A." But the teacher in the classroom keeps getting annoyed by all these students yelling. So he decides to separate sneaky E from all the other vowels by putting a consonant in between. So a consonant could be any of the letters behind me that are blue. He could put one consonant in between. Now, by putting that consonant in between, sneaky E now has to run all the way around that other student, tap them on the shoulder, because he keeps forgetting their name. But he's so fast and sneaky, that's why whoa, upside down. That's why he has these red shoes. So he sneaks around, he taps them on the shoulder, and he says, and the vowel yells out their name. They say I, A, O, or whatever the vowel's name is. And the teacher gets so upset, and the only way to keep sneaky E silent is to make sure that there are two or more letters in between the E and the other vowel. And that is the first job of a silent E at the end of a word.